Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. Thank you for following directions to get to this video. I will return to school on Monday. I am not sick or anything, so no worries. I just wanted to share some information with you about how your day will go with the substitute since we've never done this before. You can come back to this video throughout the day if you need a refresher on the activities that you need to complete and how you need to complete them. So first of all, for reading, we're not going to do guided reading, obviously, because I'm not here today. So instead, you're going to be working independently at your seat. And to find your activities, as always, you'll go to the Friday folder in Schoology, as I've said here, and you will complete all of the activities that you see in the Friday folder. Okay, the substitute will set a timer for 20 to 25 minutes, and the substitute will do that 3 times. So remember, work on your activity for that whole time, and then if you finish, you can do a reading center until the next round begins, just as always, okay? And then today for math, there are a couple of videos that you can choose from to watch. They're both a little bit longer, so just choose one, and they're just reviewing with you multiplication, okay, and our multiplication facts. It's really important that you put in the time and the work to practice these facts so that you can get better and better. Okay, so complete all of the activities in Schoology in the Friday folder, as I've said, just like for reading, and then when you're done, before lunch, you can do a math center. Okay, I just wanted to fill you in about reading and math for today and how that will work. All right. Please, as always, be respectful, responsible, and safe. Okay, today with our substitute. I will see you back on Monday. Bye, boys and girls.